Tortilla de Patatas, or frittata as the Italians call it, well, it's just a humble potato omelette.
I like it. It's really delicious. And the addition of the cheese, it made the difference from the usual tortilla de patata or tortilla de papa.
And today we're reusing or repurposing leftover fries for this dish. How humble. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Take two, Romulo.
Hello, warm welcome. How are you today? Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romulo, and today I have leftover fries.
Do you want to eat leftover fries?
Perhaps not. It's cold. That's why I'm upcycling it. I'm repurposing it. I'm using this to prepare
Tortilla de Patatas.
Tortilla. Romulo, you might ask, is it really pronounced tortilla?
Or tortilla?
Well, it depends where you come from. You can pronounce it tortilla, tortilla if you're from Argentina, tortilla or tortilla, all accepted. But today, let's introduce an Italian feel, because we'll do it a la Italian. The tortillas usually in Spain would just be cooked using a burner, but the Italian, by the way, in Italian it's called frittata. We finish it using the oven. So what do we need? There's a saying you can make an omelette if you don't break the egg.
I think that was you can make an omelette without breaking the eggs, and that's exactly what we need.
I'll add some salt and pepper. Okay, let's assemble.
That was anti-spray or anti-stick spray? Anti-spray.
And we are upgrading it. We are leveling it up. We'll do it not just the Italian way, but let's put some Argentinian touch. In Argentina, they would put cheese in many of their foods, and that's what we're adding cheese. And then the topmost level of potatoes, fried potatoes. And to make it more Italian, I'm adding onions.
Cipolla.
And into the oven, I preheated this just enough to have the eggs set. Perhaps 12 minutes. We'll try that 12 minutes. Yeah, that's more like it, 12. And while we're waiting, some cultural notes. Do you know the difference between French fries and Flemish fries? When is fries French fries, and when is fries something else? There's a big dispute here. What is French fries? What makes it French? It's the same potato. By the way, let's refresh ourselves. We're cooking tortilla di patata, or in Italian it's frittata. And you might say, Romulo, you're cheating. Romulo, you might say, how about us without ovens? It's easy. It's just on low flame, cook it until the egg is set, and then just flip it over. This is how I did it on an earlier video. See? It's easy. Not just easy, but fun. Now, I adjusted it to 22 minutes instead. Just to get the onions more brown. I like it. It's really delicious. And the addition of the cheese, it made a difference from the usual tortilla de patata or tortilla de papa. Hello, welcome to Channel 1. Welcome back if you're... Hello, welcome back to Channel 1. Today I have... Hello, welcome back to Channel 1. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romulo. I'm... Hello, welcome back to...